So Alzheimer's disease is a disease that's characterized by loss of cognition or memory. And we believe that there are regions of the brain, very important, involved in forming memories that are shrunk and degenerating. And we don't really know the cause, but we do know from the genetics that overproduction of certain proteins like amyloid can put a strain on the system, and if they aggregate, that it is sufficient to give you loss of memory and degeneration. The three major hypotheses about Alzheimer's disease pathogenesis are amyloid, tau, and inflammation. The amyloid hypothesis says that there's an accumulation of amyloid that is difficult to clear from the cells, and that causes loss of neurons and synaptic damage. The tau hypothesis is similar, but instead of forming aggregates, it forms tangles, and that also leads to neuronal damage. And the inflammation hypothesis says that there are genes in immune cells that when they're overactive or underactive, they can give you increased or decreased inflammatory or immune response, and that increases your chances for Alzheimer's. Neuroinflammation is a broad term. It means activation of immune cells, and particularly in the brain. And while we don't know the exact mechanisms by which inflammation leads to Alzheimer's, we believe that chronic inflammation is fanning the flame and making it more difficult for these aggregates of proteins to be cleared from cells.